In the cutthroat world of pizza chains, one name stands tall, rising like a perfectly baked crust: Domino's Pizza. This global giant has managed to slice through the competition and secure a significant piece of the pizza pie. But how exactly has Domino's managed to stay on top in this fiercely competitive industry? The answer lies in a series of strategic maneuvers, carefully orchestrated over time. The first move in Domino's grand strategy was a deep dive into the digital realm. Recognizing the power of the internet and the emerging trend of online ordering, Domino's invested heavily in digital platforms. These platforms, including user-friendly mobile apps and real-time tracking systems, have revolutionized the way customers order and receive their favorite pizzas. This digital transformation has not only streamlined operations, but also significantly boosted customer satisfaction. As the digital dough was kneading, Domino's was simultaneously stirring a pot of menu innovation. With a keen eye on the ever-evolving culinary trends and customer preferences, the company regularly introduces new menu items and limited-time offers. This consistent menu innovation keeps the brand fresh and exciting, enticing customers to come back for more. Understanding the importance of building strong relationships with its customers, Domino's also crafted a strategy around customer engagement. Through loyalty programs, personalized marketing, and active social media interactions, the company has fostered a sense of community among its customers. The feedback loop created through these interactions helps Domino's better understand and cater to its customers' needs. In an era where environmental consciousness is more important than ever, Domino's has taken significant strides towards sustainability. Efforts to minimize food waste, source ingredients responsibly, and implement eco-friendly packaging solutions have demonstrated the company's commitment to corporate social responsibility. Domino's also recognized the potential of markets beyond its home turf and launched an ambitious international expansion strategy. Adapting its business model to suit different markets, the company has successfully catered to diverse taste buds across the globe, further bolstering its popularity and reach. Finally, Domino's knows the value of giving back. Through charitable initiatives, sponsorships, and partnerships with non-profit organizations, the company has made a positive impact in the communities it serves. This community involvement has not only strengthened its brand reputation, but also fostered a deep connection with its customers. In conclusion, Domino's Pizza's success story is a testament to its strategic prowess. It's a combination of digital transformation, menu innovation, customer engagement, sustainability initiatives, international expansion, and community involvement that has kept this pizza giant at the top of its game. This masterful blend of strategies showcases Domino's commitment to its customers, its craft, and its communities, proving that in the world of pizza, Domino's is a force to be reckoned with.